Welcome to Cottywomple. Thursday night, Friday morning I woke up. I knew there was a bad sound coming out of our air conditioning. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning and something wasn't making right noise. I woke up, turned the system off, kind of dug around in there, and there was nothing I could do to fix it at that time. So then I got up in the next morning, did some troubleshooting, and which was on Good Friday, and decided maybe I should swap out the capacitor. So I went up to the HVAC supply store up the road, and of course they're closed on Good Friday, and so I ordered one on Amazon, which showed up today. So it was kind of a hot weekend, but we survived. We made it through. New capacitor came in, unplugged the old one, plugged the new one in, turned the unit on, and bingo, it's on, and we're cooled down again. It's wonderful. But if you never don't know what a capacitor is for an AC, that's it. It's like 15 bucks. Way cheaper than a service charge or a new AC. So the AC is making a weird noise. It's not running right. Compressor's not running. Check that. And you can look on YouTube and figure out how to test it with a meter. And I tested it and it was running zero. This should have been on a good one. It shows some numbers on there. Should say 55, but the last one was saying zero, so I was pretty sure it was bad, and I'm glad it was. Cottywomple out.